On Monday, 11/10/2014, at about 9 a.m., I received a call from the IRS Bhopal India Division informing me that I have 5 criminal allegations on my name regarding tax fraud, and there is an arrest warrant on my name.
Yes, William. Hello, can you hear me, William? Yes, William. I told you that this is Lisa Johnson from Internal Revenue Service, IRS. And I would like to inform you that there are 5 criminal allegations being passed on your name regarding tax fraud.
My wife heard the message and immediately said this.
Oh, Grampy, what are we going to do? It's the freaking ass, and they're coming for you. I think Lois Lerner's at the front door. Oh no, what are we gonna do, Grampy?
Don't worry, dear. I got my motorcycle revving up in the driveway. We'll make an escape. We'll go right around that IRS and Lois Lerner.
So IRS is looking for you, and this lawsuit is going to be taken care of federal state courthouse. So my job is to notify you that there is an arrest warrant in your name. Alright, William, thank you and goodbye.
Now serving 10 to life in Alcatraz for 5 counts of income tax evasion. Let this be a warning.